Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we'll be showing you how to make glitter shoes at home. Now this pair that I have is glittery to begin with but is starting to peel off a little, so I thought of giving them a fresh look. Now this is the dress that I'm matching my shoes to. As you can see, it's a white sequin dress with shades of pink and a touch of green. What we are going to use for this is decoupage glue in a gloss finish, some fabric glue. Now I'm going to mix my glitter to make a shade matching my dress. So I have white, pink and purple. Also a bottle of metallic white fabric paint or acrylic paint. And several brushes that we'll be using. Now first I'm going to mix my glitter, taking a lot of white, I'll add a touch of pink and very little purple to it. Now mix it nicely. Now my glitter is mixed. I'm going to take some glue and brush it onto the shoe. Then I'll sprinkle the glitter onto it. Press it down gently. And tap off all the excess. Now I'm going to do the same on the sides. Brush some glue and sprinkle our glitter onto it. The glitter is now dry. Now we're going to use our acrylic paint to paint the heel and the front of the shoe. This might take 2 to 3 coats, but remember to let it dry between each coat. I have finished painting one shoe now, and you can see the difference between how it looked earlier and how it looks now. I have finished painting both the shoes now, and after the paint is completely dry, we'll lightly brush a coat of our decoupage glue onto it and sprinkle some glitter on it. The shoes are done now, they're complete, and you can see the result. If you liked our video, hit the like button and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching our video.